What's up now, friends? It's Sarah here. In today's video, I got a few things I wanted to do on camera. So one is I have a package I wanted to open and show you guys what's in that. I have a tutorial I kind of wanted to do. It's just like a little mini tutorial. I have some products, some new products from Luminary to show you guys, and announce my giveaway winner. So if you guys are interested in that, just keep watching. Okay, so you guys have probably started this video off in order to find out who the giveaway winner is. So let's do that first. So to pick my giveaway winner, I'm going to use the commentpicker.com. This is every time I do a YouTube video, this is what I use because you can filter it so that you don't have duplicates. So if someone commented more than once, they are only entered once. You know what I mean? So that's why I use this one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I've put in the video here, and then we're gonna click get YouTube comments, and then we will pick a winner. Drum roll, please. And it is Gabrielle Mayman. So I asked everyone to subscribe and then tell me what they're up to during their quarantine, and this is what Gabrielle had to say. She says, I love being able to slow down and appreciate the little things we take for granted in our everyday life, and also being able to spend extra time with my family. So Gabrielle, you're going to win 6 acrylic colors. The ones I picked for you were Blue Nebula, Purple Satin, Strawberry Lip Gloss, Glamour Green, Fire Opal, and everyone's favorite Shattered Diamond. So I will message you and get your address. So that is the winner. Don't worry, we will be doing lots of giveaways this year. You can always enter them, and it's random, and so anyone can win at any time. So make sure that you're subscribed and you have the bell on and that you are notified when I post so you never miss a giveaway. So yeah, that's exciting. Yay, Gabrielle, yay, winner. Okay. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys was I have a package here. I want to open it. I haven't opened this yet. I've had this for a few days. So one of my nail friends, Adrianna, from Adrianna's Design Studio. I have collaborated her on YouTube before in the past. I will link that in the top corner. Adrianna owns a salon called Pinque. So during COVID, she has been making press-on nails. So she created me a set for myself and sent them to me. So I'm really excited to open this up and take a look at that. Let's go with that. These are all the scissors I have. I don't, tiny, tiny scissors here. How cute. How cute is this packaging? I love the iridescent on it. I'm just gonna read my note privately. Aw. I'm so excited to look at these. I don't even want to open them, that's how cute they are. So these are the boxes that she has. I will zoom in a little bit here. How cute are these? Very adorable. Little pink boxes. Tickled Pink Cosmetics. Oh my god. Oh my god. Those are so pretty. Green is my favorite color, so she made them green because she knows it's my favorite color. Oh my god, I love these. These are so pretty. I want to display them. I might display them. Let's open this one. How pretty are these? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So I will eventually have to put these on. If you guys saw my nails right now, you'd be disappointed in me. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna fix my nails, grow them out, then maybe I'll try these on. But for now, I think I'm going to display them because I think they're just so freaking pretty. They're so me. I love them. So these come with some stuff in here. So they have cards here telling you how to stick these on, how step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then they also have a nail removal, how to remove these. And then they also have a step on how to remove your acrylic nails at home if you are going from acrylic nails to press-ons because you can't see your salon right now. So that's what they have here. They have some tools for your cuticles, a little hand file, a little buffer, and a little glue, which is awesome. So yeah, I will definitely link all this in my description box for you guys. and give you a actually discount code for you guys too. Actually, I just remember that now. So I have a discount code. I will link it right here. I don't remember it off the top of my head. I'll link it right here. I will also stick it in my description box for you guys. So if you're looking to get some press-on nails, check out Tickled Pink Cosmetics. They also just came out with eyelashes. Just saying. So, Luminary. Luminary has come out with colors by VanDahl. So there are 3 new colors by Luminary. So these are actual colors. Normally, Luminary is a base product, and they're nudes, clear, black, and milky white. And so you use these as a base, and they're base plus color. And you can either leave them as is, as color, or you can gel polish on top. So I use a lot of the nudes for that, because then when you file down, you can kind of see where you are instead of clear. The clarity is very popular. But they finally came out with some color. So they have a beautiful yellow called Rise. I actually use this in a set, which I will do a little video on the screen if I did use them. This is a beautiful yellow. When you buy these, you can get them in starter kits. In the starter kits, you get the 5-gram jar like this, as well as the matching 10 bottle and a top coat. There's a few different bundles you can get actually for these. So that's the yellow. Then we also have this purple called Inspire. It is super beautiful. And again, I used this as well. Anyways, this is a beautiful lilac purple, really soft and pretty. Another great spring color to come out with. So that one's really pretty. So I haven't used the blue one on anyone yet. So I'll just show you guys that one. The blue one is called Dream. It is a beautiful blue. This is what Dream looks like swatched. Super pretty. So I haven't used that one yet. Yeah, so these came out about a month ago from Luminary, but we only just got them into the Nail Throne a couple days ago because, yeah, we were just behind. But I got them all in now. So yeah, you guys can order those. If you're in Canada, from my site, nailthrone.com, and if you are in the States, I will link Luminary Nail Systems in my description box. So which one of these is your guys' favorite? Let me know in my comment section. Okay, so I did this really pretty milk bath set the other day, and a lot of people liked it. Someone asked me to do a tutorial, so I thought I would do a just mini tutorial for you guys. It's really easy to do. So I'm going to use the Glitterbels clear stiletto tips, because that's what I used. You guys can use tips or sculpt. I personally really like these clear stiletto tips. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so then you're going to glue this to your nail. You're going to glue this to the finger, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so tip is glued on, so now we're just going to want to make sure that the tip is perfect and even, and then you're going to want to blend along the line. So that's why I'm just going to quickly blend and remove the shine off the tip. You're going to want to remove the dust, cleanse the nail. And if this was on a real person, you would now prep and prime, which I'll just do for the hell of it. Why not, right? So you just need a little bit of dehydrator. Don't touch your client's skin. When dehydrator is dry, then you go in with some primer. So to create this milk bath design, all you need for Glitterbels acrylics, I've got Peacherbel Soft Shimmer, which is just a beautiful core powder that's got some like glitter in it. Then you're gonna need something like Snow Satin, which is just a shimmery white. It just kind of gives that kind of like shimmery dimensional look. You're gonna need soft white, which is kind of like a cloudy white. You're gonna need clear glass slippers. And then I also wanted some glitter added in that, so I added Baby Girl Crush, which is one of the most popular glitters, and we literally run out of it like the second it enters the store. So I got those, and then flowers. So in my last haul video, I bought a bunch of flowers. So I thought I would do a milk bath set with these flowers. So the colors I used in this set were this kind of like white flower, this kind of like soft purple, a little bit of the green, and the red. And then I also used corners of the red flower right here. I just cut it up. Okay, so I cut up all my flowers on my palette, so they're easy to use. You really don't need a lot. Okay, So to start, I actually start at the tip this time. Normally when I'm doing nails, I start around the cuticle area, but for this design, I started at the tip. So what I did was I dip into my peacherbel cover shimmer, dip a little bit into snow satin, and then you kind of have peacherbel and snow satin mixed. I'm just sticking it on the tip of the nail, cleaning off my brush, and then I'm just going to pull the color down. Almost doesn't really matter. This is such an easy design that like, you can hardly screw this up. Now I'm dipping into my monomer. I'm picking up a little bit of clear on my brush, and then I'm gonna go in to some of my flowers and place it over top of what I just put down. You really don't need a lot, like I said. You can kind of strategically place your flowers if you want. Next, I'm gonna dip into maybe the soft white, into peacherbel, and into snow satin. Cleaning off my brush, and then I'm just gonna go in and spread this down the nail. It's okay if it overlaps the flowers. We want that. Then I'm gonna dip in, pick up a little bit of clear, go into some of my flowers here, and place that randomly on the nail. We also want to use these like bigger chunks, so I'm just gonna place that down too. You want this to be sparse, you don't want it to be perfect, you don't want it to look like you placed the flowers perfectly. You just kind of want it to look like a natural milk bath nail. So now for the cuticle area, I'm gonna go in peacherbel soft shimmer, a little bit of snow satin, place down. I'm gonna clean off my brush before I go in to my cuticle area. Get close and then just blend the product down. And then again, we're gonna dip into our clear and pick up some flowers. So I'm gonna go in with the purple right there because I really like those purple flowers. Just like that. So now let's add a little bit of that glitter, the baby girl crush. So I'm just dipping into my monomer, picking up a small amount of that baby girl crush, and then I'm just gonna randomly place it. You can overlap your color, your flowers. Really just do whatever you want with the glitter. I am overlapping my flowers there, and I'm gonna put a little bit at the tip. To make this look a little bit cloudier, because it definitely doesn't look cloudy, now we're gonna go in and we're gonna overlap this, kind of like a layer design now. So we're gonna go in with some layers. Peacherbel soft, a little bit of snow satin, a little bit of soft white. And then, I'm not gonna do anything with this yet. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of flowers so they're underneath. And then I'm gonna stick that on and then drag and pull. So those flowers are just kind of like hidden in there. And I'm just gonna do that again, but near the cuticle area. I definitely wanna use the soft white. The soft white really dulls everything out. Soft white, a little bit of shimmer, again. If anything's looking like too forward, you can just go over top again with some more of the soft white, snow satin, peacherbel, whatever you want to kind of like blur it out. Because like I said, we don't want this to be super obvious. It's kind of like a subtle, layered milk bath design. So just like that, that's where we're at. At this point, you would encapsulate. So that's what we will do. I'm just gonna move all this stuff out of the way. For nails this length, I always encapsulate the tip first. Since this is built up, you're not gonna need as much clear as you might normally want because we did do a layered look. After encapsulating, it'll be dry like this, and then you'll want to finish file the set. So I always like to do my sidewalls first. I'm using our metal file boards from Glitterbels. 150 refill on one side and 180 on the other. We just ran out of stock on the metal files, but I have more coming. These are the best for shaping, seriously. Because the board doesn't move, right? So you don't ever get those like rounded bulbous sides. You always get nice, hard, straight sides. And then I just go over the whole nail as well. Then you're also gonna wanna buff. Then after that, I added crystals and I top coated. Crystals and top coat, and then this is the finished design. I added some gold foil in there as well, which I didn't do in my demo nail, but you could do anything you want. You can add anything you want inside Milk Bath nails, really. So I hope you guys liked that little mini demo. What was your favorite thing I showed you guys today? Was it the press-on nails, the new colors from Luminary, or the tutorial on how to do a simple, easy, layered milk bath design? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you always check my description box for everything in my video. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to be part of more giveaways, make sure that you are subscribed and click the bell next to it to be notified when I post, and then you'll never miss one. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!